Hello everyone. Today I'll introduce how to use the KD X4 add an extra key for a 2023 Leapmotor C01. Now we are using a KD FB02-3 key. It's this style of appearance. We have completed the wired connection. Then enter the remote control function menu to generate the Leapmotor program. We have pre-generated this program in advance. After generate it, go to the corresponding matching function to program this key. Select the remote function. Select C01. This vehicle is manufactured after 2023, so select the second option. There are 3 functions available here now. Now we don't have any working keys. It is equivalent to all keys being lost. So we need to execute the all keys lost function. Before executing the all keys lost function, we need to write the configuration. This is to activate the remote control system. Then we proceed to add the new key. You still need to change the configuration, even if you're just adding a spare key. Writing completed now. Click OK. Click All Smart Keys Lost. All keys have now been erased. The current number of keys is 0. Our key has 3 buttons. It is equipped with trunk release and lock buttons. Click OK. Follow the prompts. We need to quickly press the unlock button for 2 seconds. Then press this lock button for another 2 seconds. Now the key has been matched successfully. Then we can click No. Let's test the functions of this key. All done? Call it a day.